Hello everyone, we are back at Hobby Lobby shopping more Christmas decor. They just keep adding more and more. I'm so excited. There's a little bit of artwork in here and we're gonna just jump right in, and because there's a lot to see. These are each 7 and those are the only 2 designs here so far. I'm not sure if they're gonna add more, but that would be exciting. 16. I love this Grinch artwork. The framing is really beautiful too for 25. $32. Season's Greetings from Whoville. Looks like a Christmas stamp. 18 for Cindy Lou Who's Hot Cocoa Bar. The Christmas plaid. And then $6.49 for each. $24 and $39 for the deer. We did see the sitting one before, or the laying one. I love those. I'm still having a hard time figuring out which deer to get. These are each 9. There is a size difference between the larger and the smaller. 14 and 15. I love those too. And these are flocked. They're pretty lightweight and you could see they light up. They are 22 each. 6. Now I did see a bigger size of these in the totes that they're going to be putting out, but it was on a lower one so I couldn't get to it, but I'll definitely go back to share it. 16 and 27. There is a taller size of that tree with the bow that we had seen before. 36. This lights up. 10. 12. These bows are flocked. There's a size difference to my hand. 24. Such a pretty color green for these deer. Looks really cute with the flocked green trees. And those are 12 and 16, just in case you're wondering. We had seen those in a previous video. And this is part 9, so if you missed any of the previous parts, I'll link those in the end and down below. Just some different styling options here. I love this tree. Now this is flocked too, such a pretty red. Those are 20. The deer here is 30. I love the realistic look of that wreath around the neck. And it matches really well with the trees. Those are the real feel. And if you didn't want the word, I think that tree looks really pretty with it too. And they have so many bins here again to stock. I did try to look through the ones that were on the top. I didn't want to move any because I was so afraid something would fall over, so I didn't want to touch those. These are 8. I can't wait to see those. They were a little deep. 42 for the standing deer. 37. This looks like the champagne color. Very pretty. 32 for the flocked standing brown deer. 33 and 37. And those are a bit larger. 3 for this tree. I thought that looked cute together. This is what they have out in this section, and I went twice actually to show everything in this video, and they stocked a little more the second time that I went, but still no black flocked trees, unfortunately. 15. But they did add this color, 13. We saw the green one last time. We've got this Merry Christmas garland, 16, and then 9 for this one. 11. This looks like a faux leather. 9. 10. 13 and 10. Great bowl filler or basket filler or sleigh filler. 13 and 12. 39. And this is 21. You see the stained glass and the windows and the door, and it lights up, very pretty. The bells here are each 15. I'm still waiting for them to stock all those empty spots with bells. This set is 20. Even more bins. I can't wait to see what's in all of those. I was peeking. Now these two bells are in the nautical aisle, 14 and 7. I just thought they were really cute, and you could use them for Christmas or your nautical theme if you do that. 8 for each of these ornament trees. 10. 22. I like those antlers a lot. So much beautiful decor to pick from. $16 and $24, they added another size, the bigger one. Now there are 4 sizes of this deer, 8, 10, 13, and 15. I only remember 2 sizes last year, but we're going to do a few different variations of styling here. $27. This is over by the neutral decor. 9. 39. 22. I believe this said it was an ornament hanger. $6.49. $20. And these are glass. $20. $22. $4 for these hooks. $3. You get gold or silver for the ornament hooks. $17. The Santas are $24. $9. 3 different ones here. $20. $26. $8. There's 2 different snowmen there. $12 for the countdown. $7. 3 different ones. $8. The hats were different. $10. I don't really decorate with gnomes, but those are cute. 3 different ones here. $36, and then $34 for Mrs. Claus. $35 for that Santa with the green shirt. $23. And then $35 for the taller snowman on the end. The bears are $28 each. 2 different outfits there. $8. Those snowmen light up. $17. Now the little ones, it doesn't let you preview it or try it. $39. $42 with the train going around the tree on the bottom. $47. $14. Now this is the same mug, that's just the all the way around. $6.49 for this gift box. It's shaped like a gingerbread. I thought that was cute. $10 for the countdown. The little snowflake that you move. $13 for each of the 3 houses there. $41. $19. Now we have seen a lot of the gingerbread before, $7, but they did add quite a bit more. $15. $14. That lights up. Cookies and cocoa. $6. Now these can also hang up. There's a spot for a nail or a screw. $5. $10. $9. $14 for the garland here with the little cookie cutters. 13 for the houses with the peppermints. Quite a nice selection of gingerbread decor if that is your theme, or maybe you only do it in the kitchen and the dining room. 16, and that is a stack of 3 there, the long one. 30 for the skis, a nice pattern on the ends of it. $6.49 for these large light yard stakes. Now that's a really good deal because everything is half off. I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. Let me know what you're on the lookout for and I'll keep my eye out for it. Thank you all so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time.